Here you can see my Gmail is auto labeling. I can't do anything. Here is the workflow that I built for Gmail learning. Gmail labels. Now I click test workflow. Here you can see when Gmail trigger, it can automatically label. Now I build. If you want to download this workflow, I provide link in description. So here you can download this. Now build this again for you to teach. Now I click add project and click personal. Okay. Here you can see I build step by step to show you. Search Gmail. Now on message received. Okay, you need to connect your Gmail account. Create new credential and sign up with Google account. Here you can see the sign up page is loading. Now choose your Gmail. I want to choose this email. Now it's loading. Now click continue. Here you can see you need to select 6 service. That's how I already have in this Gmail selected. Now my Gmail account is successfully connected. Now back. Here you can off this. Here you can check. Click every minute when email is received. This can run. Okay. Then click plus and advanced AI and click test classifier. Okay. Test to class back. We need to connect AI model. For this you can connect ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, any of these. I connect OpenRouter chat model. Here you need to add API key, create new credential and just paste your API key here and just save it. Now it can connect. Now I already connected, so I don't connect in this video. Now I use any free model of this OpenRouter. I search free. I use Microsoft Mini in this video. Okay. Now just click test cloud here. Okay. Now it's opening. First of all, I need to run this module. Now the module is run. Now I open this module and just search here text. Now this is not found. Here's a text. Here you can see text as HTML. You can drag here and create add a category. I to, to create category we need to create label on this account. I already created, you can see. Just click here and just create one. I want to create like okay, help, and just create. Here you can color your you can see here you can color your label. Which color do you like? Okay, and just create. And here you can see already created many of. So enter your label name, business inquiries. Here you need to write prompt, ChatGPT prompt to categorize this email. When any business related inquiries coming to mail, and just add a new category. You can get this prompt from ChatGPT also. Here I collaboration, so here any collaboration we can categorize by email, not subject line, by email body. Here you can see we can paste text as HTML. Text as HTML. It can categorize by our email, by email text body, not subject line. And just create many of you like. Others does not meet any above of requirement of email, and just add new category. One is a sponsorship, SPY, sponsorship related so the SPON yes related email. Now just select add option and system prompt. Now just select test step. Okay, how can I fix this error? So this error is coming from this ChatGPT model. I need to select any others. Okay, and I just select test this Upwork again. Now I can see the error is fixed now. Okay, now I can open and see this is the business, this is the other branch email. This can categorize. So I click other and click plus, then I search Gmail, and add level to message. Here you can drag a message ID from here. Okay, now select level. So the level is other, and just test step. You don't have to create anything. Something error coming. So this account. Now I just try again. Here you can see I fixed the error, and just duplicate this and duplicate again. And one or duplicate. Now I just connect. I just connect all of this. Now this is a business inquiry email. Now I can save this. Just select level from here. Just select business inquiries. This is collaboration. So select collaboration email. Just select collaboration. Just select collaboration on this, and the done is okay. This is sponsorship. And you can see how much this is easy to automate lately. Sponsorship. Now our work is done now. Now we just activate this. Oh God. Whenever I send, now I send the email. Here you can see. Sponsorship, and just click send. and just send it. Now our mail is just sent. We can set time for 1 minute. Every 1 minute we can see our email is automatic level. Now for this I run text. Okay, it can level this me for others. I just need to fix this. It can level this other. I just need to fix this prompt. My responsive spelling is something wrong. Here you can see in this video I can automatic level, so I can stop this video now.